Ronaldo. You explain Ronaldo.
Ipin, let's do our English video project. We already planned it yesterday. It's due tomorrow.
Later Susanti, we are practicing for the e-sport competition tomorrow.
Yeah, this is important. It's the final.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Then they wanted to work on assessment. Then just wanted to play a game, but the project is due tomorrow.
What the point of playing games is to hurt your eyes, bro.
There are many benefits.
Game can be useful, you know.
Yeah, they improve focus, teamwork, and strategy.
But our school assessment is also important. It's for our grade.
Exactly. Games are just a waste of time.
No, they are not. Many people become successful from e-sport.
Yes, guys, it can even be a real career.
But still, studying is more important.
If our grade drop, we'll bring it.
I'm sorry I'm late. Huh? What are you arguing, guys? Hey, stop fighting. We're supposed to be a team. If you argue like this, our project won't get done and you won't focus and concentrate there. Let's find a solution inside. Okay?
So, what shall we do, Mei?
Playing game is okay, especially if it's for a competition, but don't forget the responsibles. Let's finish our project first, then you continue practice that way. You success in both.
You're right.
Okay, let's do the project first.
Finally, thank you.
Yeah. I'm sorry for getting too professional.
It's okay, let's work together.
Yes.
Let's finish the project.
Let's go!